the dream we all live. The world is as you dream, that's what I mean. Bleak is the civilized world's mental scheme. Rainforests are destroyed, and when they die, we die. Do you get it? When they die, we die. Do you get it? Are you upset by it? I'm already dead. I feel dead. I'd like to clean the refuse out of my head. You are the dreamer of this dream, and that's great. You can decide when you want to wake to a world that's in a more ecological state. The pavement is like rape. I know we can escape, but the car is the enemy of Earth. The pollution, the metal, the plastic, these are a curse manifested by greed. This song is like a Viking rune carved on a rock in Sweden. But the car is the enemy of Earth. The pollution, the metal, the plastic, these are a curse manifested by greed. This song is like a Viking rune carved on a rock in Sweden. You Earth motherfuckers, I'm a tree hugger, man. That's how I got in touch with my ancestors through with the tree. While you're eating your grease in the belly of the beast. A world made of plastic so diseased. I love trees, it's an insult to druids to have a need a goddamn hole to contain sewage. Humans are so gone astray. You think you live the right way with SUVs? Your house is pretty, but your life is septic tanks, car exhaust pollution, and that's shitty. The suburbs and the city are dirty.
American breakdown.
Do not fear the fire in the mind of man. The fire in the mind of man. The fire in the mind of man. Do not feel the fire in the mind of man. The fire in the mind of man. The fire in the mind of man. Do not fear